everybody, welcome to my video, Affiliate Marketing for Beginners, the 5-step process to start with affiliate marketing. This is by no means a definitive be-all, end-all video for beginners, so make sure you check out other videos as well to grow, learn, all that. But before we get into it, guys, don't forget to hit that like button. Please subscribe to the channel so any and all of our new videos you will get notifications for. You don't want to miss out any of them. Well, all right, guys. Well, I'll tell you what. Let's get into it. All right. Well, before we get too deep into it, first let's go over what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing, pretty much way simplified answer. Companies pay you to market their business and drive traffic to them. All right, guys, first things first. First, you want to find your niche or a product that you like. And it could be anything that you're passionate about or just a product that you currently use. I am passionate about making money. So I'm going to make a lot of videos about making money, especially online. So this is just video 1 in the series. So guys, like I said, hit the subscribe and you're going to get them all. Now, step number 2, find out if the product that you like has an affiliate program. It could also be called a partner or referral program. And for example, you could type in whatever the product is plus affiliate program or plus partner or plus referral. For example, I used Woodwatch plus affiliate because I personally own a Woodwatch and I love my Woodwatch. So why wouldn't I want to tell people about it? And of course, once you find out if the product has an affiliate program, if they do, it's a no-brainer. Sign up for the program and they'll give you a link to help promote. Link to promote. Step number 4 covers that. You get a special link that allows the business to track how many people that you sent their way, how many clicked the link, how many bought the product. Say, for example, you decide to order this Hawaii drone footage and they have an affiliate link for Amazon. You would just put the link in your description or somewhere in the video, and whoever clicks on that and buys the footage, then you get paid for it. I was just saying, if someone clicks your link and then buys the product, you get paid. Obviously, the more people that click the link, the more people that buy, the more money you're going to make. So guys, like I said earlier, check the link in the description below. It's got a link that I'm promoting to help everyone maximize their affiliate programs and also build up to $1,000 in commissions per day. And of course, results may vary. That's not a definitive, you're going to make that amount, but if you put in the work, you could. All right, but anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video. I appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.